My name is Paulina Oliva. I'm an associate professor at the economics department at UC Irvine. Prior to coming here, I was an assistant professor at the University of California, Santa Barbara, and I did my PhD at UC Berkeley in 2009. I work at the intersection of environmental and development economics, and my research looks at the effectiveness of public policy at improving environmental outcomes and also at how low-income populations can benefit from such policies. In some work that I do, for example, I look at how economic incentives can help increase the adoption of agroforestry in low-income populations like in Zambia. And I look at the use of subsidies and rewards in order to do so through a field experiment that randomizes both incentives. And what I find is that although individuals do respond to these type of incentives, they may later change their mind as they learn more about how costly it's agroforestry for them. Interestingly, we also find that individuals really appreciate the option of engaging in agroforestry. So just making this option available to them is actually improving their well-being. I'm very excited to start my appointment at UCI. UCI has excellent faculty in the areas of applied microeconomics, energy, and urban economics, and they just made some excellent hires in public economics and econometrics, which I'm really excited about. And also because I look forward to taking advantage to the California Census Research Data Center at UCI that will give me access to vital statistics for the US that I can then relate to our pollution exposure and look deeper into heterogeneity in the effects of our pollution across different populations.